Here's something most tool brands really hope you never figure out. You don't have to spend big to work like an expert. The best gear isn't always the most expensive option. It's whatever actually solves real problems without draining your entire wallet. We combed through Amazon to find you 20 genuinely useful tools, every single one under $30, that belong in any solid kit in 2026. We're covering sharp engineering, smart design, and real performance, from compact multi-tools made for everyday carry to specialty wrenches that pros have trusted for years. These picks are the genuine deal. Let's get started. Caulking ranks among the most deceptively tricky finishing tasks in any trade, and sloppy results are painfully obvious. The Soccer 3-in-1 kit makes professional-grade caulk lines achievable for anyone. It handles old caulk removal and smoothing in a single set of tools with interchangeable pads that let you select the exact profile or radius you want. Whether you're finishing a bathroom, sealing a kitchen backsplash, or weatherproofing around windows, the results are consistently clean. The stainless steel scraper takes on hardened, stubborn material without leaving scratches behind. It removes the guesswork and the sticky mess that comes with using your bare finger. For around $10, it's hard to think of a smarter purchase on a renovation job. Your finished product will look like you hired a specialist. Not every situation calls for a full-size tool, and that's the entire reason the Gerber dime exists. It's small enough to live on your keychain and light enough that you'll forget it's there until you suddenly need it. 12 fully functional tools are packed inside, including spring-loaded pliers that make one-handed use effortless. There's a blade specifically shaped to slice through clamshell packaging, which alone justifies the purchase. The bottle opener is accessible even when the tool is fully closed, which is a thoughtful detail. Gerber's build quality ensures this doesn't feel like a novelty item. It's solid, reliable, and built to last. When you need to snip a cable tie or snug up a loose screw on the fly, this is the tool that delivers. For what amounts to pocket change, it's one of the smartest things you can attach to your keys. Ask any network installer what tool they can't work without, and a reliable crimper is always near the top of the list. This RJ45 tool is designed for both Cat 5 and Cat 6 terminations and produces a clean, consistent crimp every time you squeeze the handle. An integrated wire stripper and cutter eliminate constant tool switching during connector termination. The ratcheting mechanism ensures each connector is fully seated and secured before the tool releases, which prevents the connection callbacks that cost you time and credibility. The handles are ergonomically sized and provide solid leverage without beating up your hands on a long installation run. A starter supply of connectors is included in the kit. It's no frills, professional, and priced well below what the brand name tools command for identical performance. Whether you're maintaining an e-bike you depend on for getting to work or running a full shop, the Omer's 3-in-1 chain repair kit is an essential addition to your toolkit. The set includes a quality chain breaker, a chain wear indicator, and master link pliers. Tools built for regular use, not just emergency roadside fixes. The chain breaker operates with surprising smoothness and makes a full chain swap a 5-minute job instead of an ordeal. The wear indicator is a small tool with a big impact. It tells you precisely when a chain needs replacing, saving your drivetrain from the expensive, cascading damage of running worn components. This is proactive maintenance made affordable and straightforward. For roughly the cost of a single shop visit, you gain the tools to manage your own drivetrain for years. The pliers wrench concept sounds simple, but once you understand what Klein has achieved here, it's hard to go back to a standard adjustable wrench. The jaws are parallel and lock flat against fastener faces, meaning they grip fully and evenly without rounding off soft brass fittings or polished chrome hardware. The cam action design amplifies grip force as you increase hand pressure, so the tool actually holds tighter the harder you pull. The repositioning action is smooth and fast. Release slightly, slide back, take another turn, all without breaking contact with the fastener. It's faster and more versatile than a crescent wrench for nearly every task you'd use one for. For any plumber or maintenance professional, this is an under $30 upgrade that immediately changes how you work. There's nothing more infuriating than tearing apart a device only to discover you're missing the one specific bit you need. The Jurist 152-in-1 kit ends that problem permanently. The sheer range of bits covers everything from consumer electronics like iPhones and tablets to specialized industrial hardware. The handles are ergonomically shaped and magnetic, so you'll never spend 10 minutes searching the floor for a microscopic screw. There's also a flexible extension shaft included for reaching deep inside tight chassis spaces. Every bit is forged from S2 steel, far superior to the soft alloys that strip out after a single session. For a professional technician or a hands-on hobbyist, having every bit imaginable in one clean, organized case is an enormous time saver. This is what professional precision looks like on a budget. Heavy-duty cable sheath work at the end of a long day is exactly the scenario where the Knipex cable cutter earns its place in your bag. The ratchet mechanism reduces the hand force required dramatically, and the integrated guide shoe prevents the blade from cutting into conductor insulation during the stroke. 4 blade position settings, straight, round, angled, and offset, give you clean results across a variety of cable types and cut requirements. Sheaths up to 7 millimeters thick are handled with minimal effort. The handle geometry is genuinely comfortable, which matters when you're making the same cut dozens of times in a session. A tether attachment point adds a critical safety margin for work at height. If heavy-duty wiring is a regular part of your work, this tool will protect your hands and noticeably speed up your workflow. A rotary tool has a way of becoming indispensable the moment you start using one, and the Hardell Mini makes that transition easier than ever. Being cordless and USB rechargeable means it travels anywhere. No outlets, no extension cords, no excuses. Despite its small size, it carries real power for light grinding, precise polishing, and detailed engraving work. The included accessory kit means you can get started immediately without sourcing additional attachments. 3 variable speed settings give you the control to match the tool's output to the delicacy of your task. It sits in your hand like an oversized pen, which translates directly into precise, controlled movement on fine work. If your job involves any kind of finishing, engraving, or small-scale repair, this little tool is going to become one of your most used pieces of kit. Manually wrestling a tape measure across long spans is officially a thing of the past. The D-tape laser meter brings a level of accuracy and speed to measuring that a physical tape simply cannot match. Point it, press the button, and distances up to 131 feet are calculated instantly. It goes well beyond straight-line measuring, automatically computing area, volume, and indirect heights using Pythagorean calculations. The backlit display is sharp and highly readable even in direct outdoor sunlight. It's compact enough to pocket and durable enough to survive job site conditions. For anyone pricing jobs, laying flooring, or calculating framing, this converts what was traditionally a 2-person task into a quick, solo operation. It's one of those rare tools that looks impressive and genuinely earns it. The kind of pro who refuses to waste time walking back to the truck knows exactly why a quality multi-tool is worth its weight in gold. The Perwin isn't some dollar bin knockoff. It's constructed from professional-grade stainless steel with the kind of durability you can actually feel in your hand. Pliers, wire cutters, a sharp working blade, and multiple screwdrivers are all packed into a pocketable unit. The standout feature is the locking mechanism that keeps each tool securely open during use. No folding blade surprises mid-job. It sits heavy and solid in the hand, giving you real confidence when you're turning a bolt or cutting wire under pressure. The amount of functionality you get for under $30 is genuinely hard to believe. It's the tool you keep reaching for because it's always the right one for the moment. Even if you've never touched a 3D printer in your life, this kit deserves serious attention from anyone who does precision work. The curated selection includes needle nose pliers, scrapers, hex keys, and wrenches, all chosen for accuracy and tight tolerances. The deburring tool alone earns the purchase price, delivering clean, professional edges on plastic and soft metal components that would otherwise require extra time with a file. Everything stores in a compact, organized pouch that travels well and keeps small tools from disappearing into the void of a larger bag. Because these tools are designed for the fine tolerance demands of printer maintenance, they're built with a level of precision that general kits often skip. For any pro doing small parts assembly or detailed mechanical work, this is a smart, cost-effective way to add quality specialized tools. For serious network installers, the Cable Matters All-in-One Crimper is the tool that raises the standard. It's built specifically around pass-through style connectors, which makes wire alignment dramatically easier and more consistent than conventional crimping. As the crimp is completed, excess wire is automatically trimmed flush, resulting in clean, professional terminations without a secondary cutting step. The frame is heavy-duty steel construction that feels built for the long haul. Compatibility with RJ11, RJ12, and RJ45 connectors means it covers everything from legacy phone lines to modern high-speed data infrastructure. It's a step up in sophistication from a basic crimper, but the accuracy gains and time savings make the upgrade an easy call for any installer working in volume. Trying to read a traditional bubble vial under a cabinet in dim light is the kind of frustration that slows a job down and builds real resentment. The Empire Digital Level eliminates all of that with high-contrast vials and dual backlit screens that auto-rotate for any orientation, upright, inverted, or sideways. 7 measurement modes give you flexibility across a range of leveling and alignment tasks. The proximity audio feature, a beeping tone that increases in frequency as you approach level, brings a new level of speed and confidence to the process. Precision milled edges ensure the readings are accurate, while removable shock-absorbing end caps protect the tool from the inevitable tumble off a work surface. It's fast, it's professional, and it removes all the ambiguity from one of the most fundamental tasks on any job. There's a real art to building a kit that's compact enough to always have on you, but complete enough to handle real work. The Weehaw Go Box nails it. The slim case fits in a pocket or a tool pouch and contains a high-quality mini ratchet, a bit holder, and a precision bit selection covering the fasteners you actually encounter most. The case construction is reinforced. It takes drops and rough handling without cracking or losing components. Bits lock in securely, so nothing rattles loose in transit. For jobs that require climbing a ladder or navigating tight spaces without a full bag, this is the kit you grab on the way out the door. It's Weehaw quality distilled into a pocketable package, and every pro should have one somewhere in their rotation. 15 Klein Lineman's Wrench. You see these on working linemen's belts for a reason. This wrench is built to a standard that frankly goes beyond its price point. Forged from special bar stock and heat-treated for exceptional hardness, it handles serious torque without deforming or fatiguing. Large and small jaw openings on either end cover the hardware you'll encounter most on utility infrastructure. The pole step holes are a detail that looks minor until you're 30 feet up and grateful they're there. This is a tool designed for outdoor work in harsh conditions, and it performs accordingly. Solid, heavy, and absolutely trustworthy under load. Whether you're turning bolts or driving components into place, this wrench handles it without complaint. A classic tool that stood the test of time for very good reasons. Stripped fasteners are a frustrating inevitability, and having the right extraction tool changes the entire situation. The Kinepix Twin Grip isn't a general-purpose pair of pliers. It's purpose-engineered for gripping from the very tip of the jaws, which opens up access in confined spaces where conventional pliers can't get purchase. The high gear ratio generates serious gripping force without demanding equivalent hand strength. Chrome vanadium steel construction keeps the teeth sharp and the tool functional through heavy regular use. The 3-point contact system locks onto damaged fastener heads with a security that flat jaw pliers can't replicate. It won't be the tool you use every hour, but it will be the one that saves a job when nothing else comes close. That kind of reliability is worth every cent. Portable socket sets usually fall into 2 categories: cheap toys or expensive professional kits. The Weehaw set is a rare exception that delivers genuine quality at a price that makes sense for a bag or truck kit. Precision machine sockets fit fasteners cleanly and hold without the sloppy tolerances that cause rounding damage. The ratchet is smooth and slim profiled, allowing access to tight quarters that block a standard-sized ratchet. The compact case keeps sockets sorted and immediately accessible without digging through a pile. For a reliable set of sockets to handle quick field repairs without lugging a full rollaway, this kit is exactly what you need. It performs like professional tooling and won't let you down when the job demands more than a basic set can provide. Rounding out the list is a tool that exposes the real cost of buying cheap. Budget wire strippers tear insulation, nick copper, and fail under pressure. Problems you'll never experience with these Klein heavy-duty strippers. The robust plier frame construction means you can use them to twist conductors and work wire through boxes without worrying about the tool flexing or breaking. The stripping ports are precision ground for a clean cut that consistently leaves the copper undamaged. A built-in wire shear adds sharp, reliable cutting capability to the package. Comfortable handles and solid leverage make these practical for long days of residential or commercial wiring work. They will outlast multiple sets of budget alternatives and perform better every single day they're in your hand. This is the professional upgrade your tool bag has been waiting for. And that's a wrap. 20 solid tools under $30 that genuinely get the job done. Whether you found just one new favorite or an entire fresh shopping list, we hope your next build goes a bit smoother thanks to it. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you again next time.